Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm using BondCraftor resin today, and this video is actually for them. It's a super cool video. They're gonna give away some resin, so stay tuned and we'll talk about that in just a minute. Alright guys, we gotta mix up our white. I'm gonna use Eder Art pigment. Shake it really well. 2 drops in this 21.45 grams. Mix it up and we'll get it in a piping bag. But let's get some color in really quick. I made some Deco Rom colors and a Ranger Monsoon. This is Monsoon by Ranger. Very beautiful. We're gonna use some red by Deco Rom. Tangerine by Deco Rom. Let's get a Forget-Me-Not in there, right in the middle of the Ranger. Because it's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's see, should I throw in a turquoise by Deco Rom? Just here and there and everywhere. But I think I'll throw in a lime, which will probably end up blue anyway. Well, I don't have any yellow in here, so maybe it won't. And some crazy colors. But if you don't try new things, how are you gonna know what you like? Okay, let's get this white in our piping bag. Twist this and tie it up. We are going to mix this up a little bit because it's already doing it on its own. But I love doing that. I think it looks amazing. Cut the end off of this. BondCraftor sent me their 1-to-1 resin, and they also sent me some of their black epoxy resin, which is absolutely amazing. I'll show you that in a little while. I made a super awesome chess set with it, and it's gorgeous. Make sure you don't have anything in your resin. Little tiny hair floating. Fuzz will float in and everything else. We're gonna blow this off and torch it. There's a lot of ink in there, so you definitely want to blow it off so you don't start a fire. Super easy design. And that's it. That's all we're doing. Super simple. You can't get simpler than that. Besides pouring it in a cup, which is pretty much the same thing. We're gonna loop this little part around. I'm shaking pretty good, sorry about that. And then we're gonna bring this in right here. I think the more I try to steady my hand, the worse I shake. And some days it's worse than others for some odd reason. Okay, there's that. And I think I'll go out just a hair with the last two. Nothing drastic. And that's it. We'll torch this again. Okay, now on to the giveaway. There's gonna be 3 winners. You can have a choice of what your prize is. You can either win 1 gallon of resin or some fast cure and silicone. Your choice. But we will have 3 winners. And I'm sorry to say it's only for people in the United States. They do not ship out of the US at this time. But it doesn't mean that they won't in the future, so I'm very sorry about that. But if you are in the US and you would like to join to try to win some resin, please comment in this video. And if you would like to win, make sure you are subscribed. Please hit the like button. And I will need you to leave a comment of your state in the United States and whether or not you've tried BondCraftor before. That way I'll know you've watched the video and listened to, I guess the rules. Yeah. The rules of the giveaway. But I hope you join in. I love the resin. I love making blooms with it. Their new black epoxy resin is super amazing. We'll back this bloom with that. And then I will show you that amazing chess set. So I will see you guys in a little while. Bye. Okay guys, I'm using BondCraftor's black epoxy resin. It's 1:1, but this is by volume. That means if you're measuring it and you're using a scale, you put it on your milliliters. So that's what you use for volume. So let's get this on here. It's super, super black and amazing. Awesome. Oh, that's black, black. I did not put it in the vacuum chamber, so I'll have to torch it. Sweet. Awesome. Okay guys, I'll let this cure and then I'll come back and we'll check it out. But I use this to make the chess set. I use this and the clear 1:1 and made a beautiful chess set that I'll show you here in a little while. But absolutely amazing. So, all right guys, see you soon. Oh, I love it. I think it looks amazing. Look at those colors. That's the BondCraftor black epoxy resin and their 1:1 resin. I love it. It makes beautiful blooms. It's stunning. Thank you guys for watching. I'm getting ready to show you the chessboard, and I hope you guys have an amazing day and enter the giveaway. Okay guys, here it is. It's so beautiful. Amazing chess set. This is using BondCraftor's black epoxy resin and also their 1:1 resin. I just added in some silver foil flakes and got this gorgeous chessboard. It's amazing. Don't forget, make sure you let me know what state you're in and if you've ever used BondCraftor before. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.